कोरोना से हो रही मौतों और मरीजों के गलत आंकड़े पेश किए जाने पर राज्यसभा सांसद दीपेंद्र हुड्डा ने सरकार को आईना दिखाते हुए अमेरिका और दूसरे देशों की तरह रोजाना जनता को सही आंकड़े और कोरोना से बचाव के लिए उठाए जा रहे कदमों की जानकारी देने की सलाह दी है। द वायर की पत्रकार मिताली मुखर्जी को दिए एक इंटरव्यू में सांसद दीपेंद्र हुड्डा ने कहा कि सरकार को खुले मन से स्थिति को स्वीकार करते हुए पारदर्शिता के साथ अपनी योजनाओं के बारे में जनता को जानकारी देनी चाहिए, जैसे इटली, अमेरिका, स्पेन, इंग्लैंड और यूके की ओर से अपनी जनता को दी जाती है।
Proactive and positive about it, not pessimistic and negative. So the people in government should proactively accept what is the situation. They should accept there is a shortage, come out with a plan, a proper plan which is transparently communicated to the people. See, a lot of other countries were hit by tsunamis of this epidemic. Italy, America, Spain, even England, UK, all those are examples. In US, if you would recall, not only would, no matter you like or dislike Donald Trump, but President of America would every day hold a press briefing, telling people what he's doing and taking them into confidence and giving them a little bit of confidence. And so would be the person who's challenging him at that time, who's the president-elect today, Joe Biden. So both of them would hold parallel press conferences every day, talking to the people, communicating them, telling them stay home, don't leave your village.
दीपेंद्र ने कहा कि उन्होंने हरियाणा सरकार को भी सलाह दी थी कि हर जिला स्तर पर एक वार रूम बनाया जाए और हेल्पलाइन नंबर जारी किया जाए, जिससे मरीजों को विश्वास बन सके कि उन्हें अस्पताल में बेड और दवाई मिल जाएगी। साथ ही वार रूम की ओर से ये जानकारी भी दी जानी चाहिए कि उनके पास अस्पताल में कितने बेड खाली हैं और कितनी दवाई का स्टॉक है।
Giving constructive suggestions how we can handle the crisis. I've given one suggestion. I'm giving it time and again to the state of Haryana, the government of Haryana. They have not considered it. We need to, in every district of Haryana, including Gurgaon, Faridabad, Mohali, Panchkula, all the districts, we need to have a war room. A war room which is headed by the Deputy Commissioner, which has the Chief Medical Officer as one of its members. That war room should have all the resources at its disposal, all the medical resources, should have a very simple helpline number that anybody can call. If you have COVID symptoms, you should call that war room. First, get a medical help. The doctors, all the district doctors should be connected to that war room in a district. After getting a medical help, if you're advised hospitalization, then that war room the patient should have confidence that they will provide you a bed. If you have a demand for oxygen or medicine or whatever, communicate it to that war room, and that war room should transparently convey to everyone this is what the resources are we have in the district, these many beds in a dashboard, these many beds, these many ICUs, these many ventilators, this is how we are.
दीपेंद्र हुड्डा ने मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर लाल के शोर मचाने से कोई जिंदा नहीं हो जाने वाले बयान का जिक्र करते हुए सभी राजनीतिक दलों को विपदा के इस समय में गैर जिम्मेदाराना बयान न देने की अपील की। उन्होंने कहा कि आज सभी को पार्टी लाइन से ऊपर उठकर काम करते हुए मृत लोगों और उनके परिजनों को सांत्वना देने का काम करना चाहिए, न कि उनका मजाक उड़ाना चाहिए।
Yeah, so there are two parts to that question. I think the first part, and that's probably one thing which I should have covered in the last answer, what politicians should do. One of the things that they should absolutely avoid is making insensitive remarks at this point. That's one of the other comment that our Chief Minister made was that he went to Rohtak Medical College and he said शोर मचाने से कोई जिंदा थोड़ी हो जाएगा, to all the grieving family members. So it's really if you can't do anything, please don't add.
हल्ला बोल हरियाणा।